Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this podcast, I'm going to discuss about fifth aphorism of Organon of Medicine, 6th edition. So let's get started. So this aphorisms deals with some really helpful tips, specifically when prescribing a remedy. So useful to the physician in assisting him to cure are the particulars of the most probable exciting cause of the acute disease, as also the most significant points in the whole history of the chronic disease, to enable him to discover its fundamental cause, which is generally due to a chronic miasm. In these investigations, the ascertainable physical constitution of the patient, especially when the disease is chronic, his moral and intellectual character, his occupation, mode of living and habits, his social and domestic relations, his age, sexual function, etc., are to be taken into consideration. So this is actually a very kind of gist about how the treatment should be done. Like in acute diseases, exciting cause will be helping us in understanding what remedy will be suitable for that condition. For example, if cough aggravation or say causation is due to sweets, then the remedies will be something else, and if the cough is due to drenching in rain, then the remedies are different. So in this way, exciting cause will be the very much important factor in deciding a remedy, specifically if it is an acute disease. Whereas it is a chronic disease, then the fundamental cause, which may be due to underlying miasm, is to be considered. For example, if a person is having generally skin or respiratory illnesses, most functional level only, then he may be considered to be of psoric constitution. And if it may be due to kind of destructive mechanism and all kind of ulcerations and these kinds of things are seen, then we can think of syphilitic underlying miasm. And there may be overgrowth and a cystic tumors kind of formation, we can think of psychotic miasm. But the presentations will not be exactly clear cut as it is mentioned in the book. There will be mixed miasm only most of the time, but we have to treat according to the dominant miasm in that given scenario. And also here are some things which need to be considered before treating the chronic disease, including with the miasm, the moral and intellectual character, which includes his mind symptoms, mental level constitution, and his occupation, what kind of occupation he has, which will be giving us an idea for some kind of underlying maintaining factor, which will be also hindering the treatment. And also mode of living, like what kind of living lifestyle they have, and the habits, any kind of alcoholism, smoking, and any other habits they are having, and social and domestic relations, which also gives us an idea about the mentality. Kind of mental symptoms are understood with all these things if considered, and domestic relations, how their relations are at home, and the age and the sexual function are to be taken into consideration. So this is a very clear cut gist about how we have to proceed while dealing with acute diseases and chronic diseases. And as you can see, almost how we can get an idea about the mentality of the person has been given in headings like his mode of occupation, his mode of living and habits, and occupation, domestic and social relations, intellectual and moral character. These all actually depict the mental generals of a person. So next time if we get confused, or if you get confused, these points, if we go according one by one, will definitely be arriving at the mental symptoms, or say mental picture of the person. So that brings me to the end of this podcast. Hope this podcast was helpful. Till then, take care and bye bye.